Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How long has it been since I've done craft like this? It's been a long time. You know resin took over my life, but this is something I just wanted to put together today, and I thought I'd bring you along for the journey. I already had the box. I already had a bag of pine cones. You'll recognize these from last year, and it was the most simple, straightforward, quick little autumnal DIY project ever. So here goes. Firstly, ignore our worktop. It is very damaged wood and we do need to fix it at some point. So the box I'm using, I actually bought from Costco's last year for my partner's birthday. It had a bottle of port in it. I didn't buy it because I love him. I bought it for the box. Let's be honest, that's what we do. So basically, I'm going back to my old style. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I got sent these from my friend Myke Life in New York. He sent me a pack of these from the Dollar Tree in America, something we don't do over here. So I'm going to use the Harvest one for the side of the box. And if you remember from last autumn, I actually had these discs sent to me by Arteza and I made some cute little pumpkins. I've ripped those apart to add a little bit of decor here. The first thing I'm going to do is paint these pumpkins using some white gesso. They'll probably take 2 or 3 coats. And then I will paint the harvest sign so that that is white. Luckily the box is already dark wood. And that's pretty much it. Glue it all together. Cute little home decor piece. So I've just taken, there was a little wooden divider here, which is this. I've just taken that out and I've taken the perspex off and I'm just bringing this straw back to life for the pumpkins and the pine cones to go in. Ooh, it's nearly done. This is the quickest DIY ever. And here it is at the back of my cooker hob. It is going to live on my kitchen windowsill, but yeah, I need to do the dishwasher, so it's not going there right now. But yeah, here it is, and now all I have to do is put the pumpkins in and put the pine cones in and done. Finished. It is the simplest, quick little decor that I've done in a very long time. Of course, you can play around with the configuration of your pumpkins. You could add more pumpkins, add more like berries and autumnal vibe type decor pieces. But I'm going to leave it as it is right now. We've got 2 over here. I might actually switch those. Oh, that's better. A little bit more symmetry. But yeah, absolutely love this one. I thought I'd take you along with me and I hope you've enjoyed it. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much for coming along with me, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.